So typically chugging or gurgling, usually at the end of a flush, it sounds like everything had gone down, but then there was extra noises after the waste and water was gone. And if you hear that flush in any other fixtures in the house, if you hear it in the bathroom sink or the tub or shower in that bathroom, those are decent indications that there's either a partial clog in the drain or that the system is having venting issues. Either one of those things can make your toilet make noises at the end of its flush.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.